Hi everyone, I am Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. In this episode, I will be discussing this lesson, multiplication and division of square roots. Okay, let's start with multiplication of square roots. In here, a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 0. M and N are rational numbers. Okay, let's take a look at this first case. We have square root of A times the square root of B. So in multiplying these two square roots, this is now equal to square root of A times B. And square root of A times B is square root of AB. Okay, example. Square root of 5 times square root of 3. So this is equal to square root of 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. So it means this is equal to square root of 15. Okay, what about the second case? We have here m, square root of a times n, square root of b. First, we will be multiplying m and n. So m times n. And square root of a times the square root of b is the square root of a times b. So this is now mn square root of a b. Okay, we have here an example. 3 square root of 5 times 2 square root of 3. So first, multiply 3 and 2. So 3 times 2, and this is a square root of 5 times 3. So this is now equal to 6 square root of 5 times 3 is 15. So we have square root of 15. So 6 square root of 15. Okay, let's move on to division of square roots. For a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 0, m and n are rational numbers. But m here is not equal to 0. Okay, take a look at this first case. We have square root of a divided by square root of b. Okay, this is equal to square root of a over square root of b. We can write this one as square root of a over b. Okay, let's give an example. Square root of 6 divided by square root of 2. So this is square root of 6 over square root of 2. We can write this one as a square root of 6 over 2. 6 over 2 or 6 divided by 2 is 3. So it means this is equal to square root of 3. Okay, what about here in number 2? M square root of a divided by n square root of b. So first, divide m by n. So this is now m over n. And we have here square root of a over square root of b. So square root of a over square root of b. So this is now m over n square root of a over b. We have an example here. 4 square root of 15 divided by 2 square root of 3. So first, 4 over 2. Square root of 15 over square root of 3. So this is now 4 divided by 2, or 4 over 2 is 2. So 2 square root of 15 over 3. And 15 divided by 3 is 5. So it means this is equal to 2 square root of 5. So this is our answer. Okay, now we will be using these concepts to answer this concept check question. We are going to simplify the following. So number 1 is square root of 7 times the square root of 2. So this is equal to square root of 7 times 2. And 7 times 2 is 14. So the answer is square root of 14. What about number 2? Square root of 40 divided by square root of 8. So this is equal to square root of 40 over square root of 8. Or we can write as square root of 40 over 8. 40 over 8 or 40 divided by 8 is 5. So the answer now is square root of 5. For number 3, 8 square root of 3 times 2 square root of 2. So this is equal to, first, 8 times 2. Square root of 3 times 2. So this is 16. Square root of 3 times 2 is 6. So we have 16 square root of 6. Okay, for number 4, 16 square root of 2 divided by 4 square root of 6. So first, 16 divided by 4 or 16 over 4 square root of 2 over 6. 16 over 4, 16 divided by 4 is 4. So this is now 4 square root of 2 over 6 can be simplified. So this is 1 and this is 3. So we have 4 square root of 1 over 3. Okay, this time, we will be answering these simple questions. Let's simplify 3 square root of 2 times negative square root of 7 over 2. Okay, this is multiplication. So first, we will multiply 3, and here we have an invisible 1. So this is negative 1. So first is 3 times negative 1. Square root of 2 times 7 over 2. So 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Now, 2 times 7 over 2, this is now, we will simplify, this is 1, so it means square root of 7. So negative 3 square root of 7. Okay, we have this another question. Let's also answer this. We have here square root of 15 divided by square root of 3 over square root of 2. So, square root of 15, this is division, so turn it into multiplication and we will get the reciprocal of square root of 3 over square root of 2, which is the square root of 2 over square root of 3. Let's simplify before multiplying. So this is 1. This now becomes 5. So square root of 5 times the square root of 2. So this is square root of 5 times 2. And this is now equal to square root of 10. So our answer is square root of 10.